Once again, folks, we have the most awarded SUV ever. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited in billet silver. It comes equipped with the premium lighting package. It comes equipped with the BI-XENON HID headlamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and cross path detection for safety and security, tow package so you can tow up to 5,000 pounds, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 24,000 miles on the odometer, an upgraded 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, remote start, SELEC-TERRAIN system, power sunroof, power liftgate. I could go on and on. It comes with a legendary 3.6-liter V6 engine and so much more. Please visit us for additional details at marinocjd.com. Search stock number D6836.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.